Guess what time it is?
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Alright, so if you didn't get the gist of the box sliding underneath the car, we're replacing my coilovers. We got the struts in. I made a funny video on Instagram with the reveal, and now I can't get them out, but it's fine. You know what they are. Got a 19 here. Jordy's gonna work on getting the bottoms out, and I'm gonna work on getting the tops, which are located in the trunk. Let's go. So it actually ended up being a 17. Whoopsies. Now to wiggle that bitch out.
I believe I can fly.
Got it?
Jordy cracked it open by elbowing me in the chest when I was holding it.
An accident.
It's fine. It's fine. Right now we're taking the tension off the spring so the top hat doesn't go poof. Round and round and round we go.
Is it going up?
It is going up.
It is going up.
Oh, Lord, now tell me, now tell me, now you know.
Kylie, why are you doing it how you're doing it?
What the f did I say I was a mechanic?
We'll be back.
All to the sides. It's a good thing I have bubble wrap. I figured you guys weren't interested in the cleaning. Brand new and stripped, baby.
It's not stripped, it's questionable.
I'm gonna take these bad boys into the sink though. Time to put the puzzle back together.
We're updated. We have it together. Crazy.
Ta-da.
We're adjusting it somewhat back to what it was.
Yes, because although we are raising my car, we're not raising the back. They are 7.
Good morning. Good morning. That was so fast. How do you even know what way it was going? That's crazy.
I saw which way.
That was insane.
Sorry, I got quick eyes. That's why I can read subtitles. Another day, another
Coilover rebuild.
We are unscrewing the top of the coilover, okay? The top hat. We accidentally, we thought it was the right side, but it was the left side. So thankfully they're the same. So we end up taking that out.
What's the meme with the guy where his eyes are like going like 2 different directions? I can't do it.
All right, I skipped the part of disassembling this one for you guys because let's be honest, who wants to watch you do it twice? But look at this shit, dude. That's crazy.
Just like mine.
I got the other one. Jordy set it up. Let's go rebuild it. Ooh, he's stealing. So short.
Not really talking this much.
I'm like really exhausted today. I'm sorry, guys. It's 90 degrees out here.
Coming from the girl that complains it's cold when it's 70 degrees, 90 degrees is too hot.
I just feel very burnt out today. Time to put this bad boy back in.
What are we doing now?
The voices. We're raising the car, matching left to right. Yeah. Okay. Beat. Ending the video on this note, front is somewhat raised. I swear it's more raised than it was. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back next time. Definitely tomorrow because we have another package that came. Find out.